Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a photo or video to your projects that you have created on the iMovie application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then you should select a project from your home page and tap on the edit button. Then click on this plus icon in the middle of the screen. Here in the videos and photos section you can choose from your gallery and edit as a moment, so it can be either a video or a photo. So you should choose from your gallery, but you can also tap on the camera button and then take either a video or a photo. And after that you should click on the use video or photo button down below, and here it will be inserted to your project. So tap on it, hold your finger on it, and then slide to the right or left side on this slide and position it within your project. That's how you can insert either a picture or a video as a moment to your project on the iMovie application. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.